Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a wrapper for fruit snacks using Cricut Design Space. So I'm going to go into new project. I'm going to get 2 squares. Okay, the first square, I am going to size it. I'm going to unlock. I'm going to size it to 4.5. 4.5. And the height is going to be 5.85. It didn't. I have to lock it back. 5.85. Okay. And I'm going to change the color to this. I'm going to make it like, I guess this is a nice color. Maybe yellow. Or no. I like purple. Okay. So the second square, I'm going to change that to 2.5 for the width. And for the height, I'm going to change it to 4.5. 4.5. Bear with me because my eyes is not working with me. And I'm going to change this color to I like that first color I had. Kind of like a pinkish color. Okay. So now I'm going to take this, going to flip this around. And I'm going to put it on this box. And I'm going to, where did it go? I'm going to move that. I'm going to move this, send this to the front. And I'm going to put it on top of this box. And I'm going to place it like in the middle. Okay. And this one is just for fun, just to show you how to do it. Okay. So now I'm going to go and get some clip art. I already have the clip art uploaded to my design space. So I'm just going to go and grab it real quick and add everything I want into my my design space. So I'm going to get a logo. I'm going to make this I guess I can make this a gender reveal. So I'm going to use that. And I'm going to get some nutrition facts. And I guess I can use this barcode. So I'm going to insert these images. And you can do this however you want. So this always come up like this. So I'm going to change the size to this. Just something smaller so I won't be searching for it. I'm going to unlock this. I'm going to change this. And you can do this however you want. However you want. Like that. And I feel like this is not completely in the middle. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to turn this around. And I'm going to put this right here. I'm going to move this down a little bit more. Oh, you sound hungry. All right. I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to take this Mott sign. Put this Mott sign right there. And this isn't going to be all of that, but this is just to show you basically how to do how to do these little fruit wrappers. Yeah, make this shirt bigger, like that. Now I'm gonna take this and put this at the bottom. If I really like that alligator. I'm gonna take the alligator out. I'm gonna put my own text in here, and I'm gonna use barcode from the font and make my own barcode, and then I'm gonna put thank you. Come on. You for coming. Okay. So that's in my own barcode. I'm gonna put that right there. And this is a little plain right here, but this, like I said, it's not gonna be fantastic. It's just to basically show you what to do. So then I'm going to take this and I'm going to flatten everything, because you have to wait until you finish to flatten everything, because if you try to flatten one thing at a time, it's not going to work. It's not going to come out right. So next, I'm going to take this. Everything is flat and everything is the way I want it. I'm going to go to make it. And I'm going to send this to my printer. Send it to my printer. And I am using, just record that. I am using premium paper. Okay, now I'm going to send to printer. I have my bleed on. And I'm not going to cut this with my Cricut. I'm going to hand cut it. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut around this, and I'm not going to bore you with that. I'm going to cut around it, and then I'm going to cut back in and show you how to glue it and cut the ends. Okay, so I'm going to use these pinking shears. I'm going to use this paper crumpler and a double-sided tape dispenser. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold along my edges. And this is just, like I said, this is a quick job just to basically show you guys how to do it. So this isn't going to be perfect, but it's going to be good enough. All right, so I'm going to take some tape. First I need to open this, and I'm going to go down the middle. And I got this from Michael's. I got this from Amazon. And the pinking shears I got from Amazon also. So I'm going to take some tape and I'm going to go across the top. Going to go across the bottom. Going to go across this side. And I'm going to go across the other side. Oh, my hands are ashy. Ugh. Right. Okay, so I'm gonna take the fruit snack and I'm gonna set it in the middle like that. And I'm gonna take this and I'm going to fold it so that it comes together. Wait a minute, Raheem. Fold it so it comes together like that. Wait, Raheem. Okay. And then I'm going to take these edges and I'm going to push it down like that so I can seal that part. And I'm going to take these edges and I'm going to seal it down like that. So it's completely sealed now. I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it one end inside the paper crumpler. I'm going to crumple it. I'll bring it back up like that. I'm going to take the other end inside the paper crumpler. So both ends are now crinkled. And then I'm going to take my pinking shears and I'm just going to cut along the edge like that. And I'm going to cut along this edge like that. And there you have it.